Who's the cutest little girl in the world? Hey, Karina. Karina.
You gotta be nice, Karina.
Karina. Come here, Karina. Come here. Where are you going? Are you gonna leave me? Or are you gonna come over here? Karina? Hello? Cinderella? Yes, you are. Now come here. Come here, Cinderella. Come here. Why are you being like that? Get over here, Cinderella. Alright, then you're the mean old grandmommy. Yeah, you are. If you're not Cinderella, then that's who you are.
No, Karina! No!